Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cyril. I'm from India and currently I'm a student here in Vaasa, Finland. So we came on a short trip to Tampere and Helsinki. Today is our second day. We are still in Tampere. We are just heading out for Helsinki. So we put all our things in the luggage already and now we'll be leaving for Helsinki. We might stop at Ikea that is there in Tampere. I think that's the biggest one they have here in Finland. So we'll stop there and then we'll go towards Helsinki. It's a 2-hour drive. So my sister will be going back to Senioki because they have some work. So the rest of us will just go in our car. And then 28th afternoon we'll be going back to Vaasa straight from Helsinki. So now we will just start out for Helsinki. But first we'll stop at Ikea. So we reached Ikea behind us, you can see, and on the way there was a turn that I missed, so it took me about 10 more minutes to reach here, but then finally we're here. So we'll go inside and see. This is the biggest Ikea they have here in Finland. So we finished here at Ikea. Now we will start out for Helsinki. It should take us about 2 hours. Bought some stuff. We'll put all of that in my sister's car and then she will take it to Senioki. And then on our way back to Vaasa, we'll collect it and go. So we'll start out for Helsinki now. We finally reached Helsinki and then we checked into our Airbnb. I'll add some videos here of the apartment, and now from there we came walking to this 24-hour K-City market they have here, and the one in Vaasa and other places. I haven't seen any 24-hour open K-City market, but this one is apparently it's open 24 hours, so that's a good thing. Let's go.